Hey everybody. Hey. I hope y'all are doing good today. I'm doing good. I want to welcome you all to Whipping It Up with Cherie. Today, we got kind of a fun video. This is a review and demonstration of the Joie silicone egg ring. So one of my customers sent me one of these about a month ago, and I thought it was so cute. I had never seen it before, and she sent me one, and I knew that I was going to need probably several of them. When I think about how they are supposed to be used, I said, no, I got to go get a mate. So I went to Bed Bath & Beyond, and I saw them, and I got one. So now I have matching egg rings, and today I'm going to demonstrate them and show y'all, how to use it and give you my thoughts on it, okay? So I got my skillet already preheating. So the instructions of these little silicone rings says to lightly coat your pan after you preheat it. You want to rub down, spray, or coat your egg ring with butter, oil, Pam cooking spray, something like that that's non-stick. All right, so we're going to go ahead and do that. Let's get started with that. So since my pan is on 325 degrees, so I want to go ahead and set the silicone ring in the pan, and we want to go ahead and spray it. We're going to spray her down because we don't want our egg to stick at all. I hope y'all are doing okay today. If y'all have one of these rings and have used it, please let me know, what we're rocking with, how you like it. Because the reviews that I have seen look amazing. I haven't seen any bad reviews yet. So I said, you know what? I got to try it because I'm going to be making ready-made breakfast sandwiches. So this is going to be perfect to have the circle egg. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to crack one egg into the ring. There we go. Let me go ahead and I'm going to crack it slow. That way it can start frying. Okay, so that's one. And then we're going to crack his sister over here. All right. So far, so good. I want to go ahead and start seasoning because I do like black pepper on my eggs. So I'm going to go ahead and do some black pepper. And this is 3 peppercorn pepper. I'm not using any salt on my eggs. I am going in with some sweet red pepper flakes. Now, one thing that I'm hearing that people are putting a lid on it to go ahead and help cook it on the top and the bottom. So I'm going to do that for a few minutes and I'll bring y'all back. All right, y'all. So it's been about 2 minutes. And the one thing I did forget to do is put some oil on the pan, which I had sprayed it, but it probably had burnt off. So I want to go ahead and put some butter in there so it can kind of get up under the egg. That way it don't burn. So when it comes to egg, you got to treat them like babies. I'm just moving the egg and the ring around so it can get up here in the butter. So that's what I want to do. I don't want to agitate it too much okay, there we go. I just want it to slide into the oil. And I like it that it didn't come out from up under the ring. I think that's why they say preheat the thing. And also, I feel like with me, cracking it open slow, that way it had a chance to hit the skillet slowly and settle as it's hitting the bottom of the skillet. See, the egg yolk hasn't cooked all the way, and I really like my egg like that, okay? So, I want to go ahead and turn my skillet down just a little bit, and I want to shake this loose. And the head of the ring is what lifts it up. Oh my gosh, look at that. It just lifted away. Y'all see that? Let's see what his sister doing. Oh my gosh. Yes. I love it. So let me try to flip them over. Yes. That's how I like my egg. I like a little brown on it. Yes. I like that. And I feel like the yolk came out over here only because I should have left the lid on a little longer. But other than that, that's my fault. I'm just going to pat it in. And you know what? I'm going to go ahead and set another ring because I'm making, I need more eggs. I'm cracking it open real slow so it can hit that skillet and set. There we go. Y'all, I'm going to tell you right now, I love these little rings. I love them. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That's exactly how I want my egg to look. Yes. That's exactly how I want my egg to look. That's an egg. That's a egg. Damn it. Now, let me scoop these back like I did the other one. And let the tops settle. And I'll bring y'all back. All right, I got to go ahead and season these babies up. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Come on now, be my friend now. Don't start no stuff. All right, so these will be good in just a minute. I also have another demonstration I'm going to show you all. Once these two get done, I'm going to show you how to do the other ones. Those dark spots, that's just where the oil has browned, but that's still good oil. So I'm not going to wipe the skillet out because I need that oil, because that's what makes it slide around so it's not sticking. So brown butter is the bomb if you ain't never had it. Okay? All right. All right, y'all. I'm going to take the second set out. They look wonderful. I'm happy with them. Now, I want to see something. I don't see many people do this, but Cherie want to see if it can be done. And I feel like it can. Cherie want to see what it's working with when you scramble an egg. Oh, okay? So that's what we're going to see right now. So now, make sure my skillet is still on. I'm going to crack an egg into a bowl. And I'm going to lightly beat it. One of them, because I'm just going to cook one egg scramble. All right, so since our skillet is, the heat is up, I'm just going to pour the egg, the scrambled egg, slowly over into the thing. And I can see it coming out from up under. So I see it ran. Now, I don't know if that means, because my skillet was hot, because I heard it sizzling. So, let me put the lid on and see if that'll help it cook. I'll bring y'all back. Alright, so because some of my scrambled egg ran out, I'm going to go ahead and break that away from the mold, the egg mold. So, scrambled egg is done. I'm just going to flip it over. Hopefully it's not too brown. Alright, that is okay because I like it with a little doneness. So, these are well done scrambled egg. So, I love it. It is perfect. Oh my gosh. To my subscriber who sent me the Joie silicone egg ring, I can't even thank you enough. This has been one of the greatest. Don't forget to turn your eye off. This has been one of the greatest kitchen gadgets ever. We got our fried egg. We got our scrambled egg. Perfect circle that's going to go on my biscuits. Be on the lookout for the video where I make my ready-made or ready-to-eat breakfast biscuits. Y'all, I thank y'all for joining in and watching this video. Get yourself some silicone egg rings. They are the cutest little thing with the little head. Oh my gosh, I love it. So y'all, I'm about to get ready to get off of here. Y'all have a good night. Feed your family something good. Thank you for subscribing and being a part of the channel.